All right, here I am working on my 2014 Ford F-150. Okay, the same one I've had to the dealership over and over and over again. Charged me $1,900. Told me it was the fuel pump because I had almost no start condition in the morning. That if I stepped down on the gas pedal, I could get it to start, and then it would blow white smoke, and then seem to run okay. And that happened. I took it to Winter Ford, told me I needed a fuel pump and spark plugs. I told them no way, it's not the fuel pump, because me stepping down on the gas pedal and then it blowing white smoke, which was unburnt fuel, didn't make any sense to me. And so they insisted that was the problem. I had no other choice. I let them do it. Very next day, truck wouldn't start. So on and so on. Talked to their service manager, all that. He told me he saw 10 psi. He's a liar. He never saw 10 psi. I took it back to him again. They couldn't find no problems. Reason being because it's not throwing any codes. Again, I'm out $1,900. They never fixed my truck, and I've been driving like this for a while. So I've gone ahead and I replaced my sensor right here, which I think is mass airflow, right? Replaced that. That didn't do it. I decarbed the engine with seafoam. That didn't do it. And you know, a bunch of other little odds and ends. And so I, lo and behold, take out the PCM, which, as you can see, is very clean on this side, and the rest is all the aluminum's oxidized, but very clean. So I have pictures, but inside where the PCM mounts was filled with all types of foam and stuff and leaves that was soaking wet, and it was all packed in this corner right here, which would be right here on the PCM. So far, and I think there's more in there, this is the box that I got out of that. That all that compared to my hand, right? All this was in there, soaking wet, which explains why when it was really cold, that froze, which froze the PCM, which caused that no start. But due to all that moisture in there, I'm sure it got in there, and that's why I have all the other problems. So Ford failed to fix it. I had to do it as a customer myself, and I will see Winter Ford in court.